and welcome. This is an introduction to the 2.4 assignment presenting a location in Google Slides. Here, this is our first 100-point project of the semester. We're going to create a 3-slide presentation about any location you choose. Okay, the rubric is listed here, but we'll take a closer look at that in the actual assignment. So let's go ahead and open the 2.4 file. You'll notice here that the first 3 slides are blank. That's where you'll do your work. Slide 4 has our instructions. Let's take a closer look at those. You're creating a 3-slide presentation. Any location you like in the whole wide world, go ahead and pick that spot. Then use your research skills to find more information about that location. And then you're going to put it together in a presentation using Google Slides. Here's a couple things that should be included. Number 1, a title slide, okay, with the name of the location and your first and last name. Number 2, good research is going to provide you with useful and interesting information, okay? Include that in your presentation, and for the most part, use your own words. I want a video inserted into the location that will be formatted so that we have that preview of the video, not a link. And then you'll insert other links, though, into text to learn more about a topic. Finally, generally speaking, always have good layout, colors, and content so that you have quality design. Let's take a look at the rubric. I'm grading 5 things. Okay, each one is worth 4 points. Using the standard scale of 0 to 4, I'm going to focus here on proficient. Okay, we want everyone to be proficient. The title slide needs the location and your full name using basic design. In terms of content, useful and interesting information, original writing is used to present most of the information. Content is interesting and useful. Links, I want a link that supports the topic and is inserted into text. Quick note here, if you use the HTTP format, that is not proficient. So make sure you insert it into the text. As far as the video goes, a video about the topic is present using the insert and then video process, showing a preview of that clip. And finally, design. Now, content is up here. So our design is really going to focus on layout and colors. In proficient here for design, layout shows the content clearly and the text is easy to read. Again, looking at the approaching level just below proficient, if your background colors make your text hard to read, or maybe your layout lacks balance, like everything's over on one side or jammed up into the corner, that's not proficient. So we want a well-balanced, nicely colored slide. The next slide is a list of possible topics to include. You don't have to include all of these things. So pick a couple, do some research, and then bring that information back to your slide. You can choose something that's not on this list if you have a good idea for your research. All right, here's a quick sample of a project I did in the past. This is my title slide. I have my full name, the location, and actually a link on the first slide, which is okay. On the second page, I bring some of the information that I found, talking about the Native Americans and how they were impacted by the use of the Mount Rushmore mountain. Also, another link here and another link here. You'll notice everything is embedded into the text. Finally, here's my video slide, and I've got a nice slide here. I could have put a border on that or maybe format a little bit better, but this is proficient. And I also like the idea of having a little bit of text just kind of explaining what this video is. And that's a summary of the 2.4 presenting a location in Google Slides assignment. We'll have one full day today and one full day the next class. Project will be due at the end of the second class. If you have any questions, please come and see me in class, or you can shoot me an email, or you can put a comment in the assignment. Okay, thanks so much and good luck.